This is the one question that I have for pre-calculus for section 8.1, day 1. And it's in exercises 31 to 36, sketch the graph of the parabola by hand. And what you notice about it immediately is that it has a y squared, which means it opens to the right or to the left. The negative in front indicates that this is going to open to the left. And then there are no h and k values, which means that the vertex is at 0, 0. So the next thing we would want to do is figure out where the focus is. And since when y squared equals 4px, the 4p has to equal negative 4, well, that will mean that p is negative 1. Now, p again is the directed distance. So the directed distance here brings us a focus right here at negative 1. Now, what do we need to do? Well, what we need to do is figure out how to get a graph out of that information. So the next place that we go is back to the absolute value of 4p for the focal width. And we realize, well, this was 4p. So it'd be the absolute value of negative 4, which is 4. And that tells me that if I go to the focus and I go up 2 units and down 2 units, the focal width of this parabola at the focus, which is what focal width is going to be 4 units, so 2 and 2. Now, I'm getting a pretty good idea of what the graph is going to do, but I would like another point. So I think about the fact that if I solve this for y by taking square roots, y would equal plus or minus the square root of negative 4x, and I think, well, I'm going to put negative 4 in there. And that'll give me 16. So plus or minus 4 is what I would get. So negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4 down. And that's looking pretty good for my parabola there. And even though it's not on there, if we wanted to know the directrix, which you probably have to identify on a quiz or a test, you go equal but opposite for the direction of the focus. So we would go right back here to x equals 1. Remember, the directrix is a line that says, don't cross me, go the other way. You're going the wrong way. And that was the only one that I was asked about for today.